Hey there, YouTubers. This is Penfield Alyssa 135 or 315. Coming to you with this Lego candy machine that I have here. As you can see, I'm gonna teach you how to make this. Let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is get a 1x8 and a 2x3 or an 8x8 and a 2x3 and put them together just like this. Hold on. Put them together like that. Like that. Then what I did was take three 1x8 flats like that, and then I took a 1x3 and put that there. And then let me check something. Then you put a ramp like this. It's one over from the flats and one over from the side, and two up and two down from the back. Two up from the front and two up and one down from the back. Then take a 1x8 and stick it there. Take a 1x4 and stick it there. So it's like that. Take a 1x6 and stick it right there like that. Take a 1x3 and stick it right there like this. Then take a 1x8 and stick it there, and repeat that process again. So now you have this. It's too thick. Then what you need to do is take a 1x8 and put in 1x8 and put two ramps like that, and then stick it in the front so it's like this. Next, you need to put a 1x4 there, a 1x2 here, hold on, a 1x8 across the back, and then a 1x4, then let me check this real quick. Sorry, those two. Then get a 1x4 and put it there, and a 2x4 and put it there. Then get a 2x1 and stick it there. Get another 2x1 and stick it on the other side. And then get a 4x1 flat and stick it right there, so you have that hole. Next, what you're going to need to do is get a 1x1 and stick it right there, and a 1x4 and stick it there. Then get a 1x3, a 1x2, I'm missing a piece. Oh, that's why. Then you're gonna need to get 3 of these 1x1s with holes in them and stick them like that, all in a row right there. Then get, hold on, 4 of these red pieces that look like this, and this white piece, and a black piece that is a black cross piece that is 1x6, and stick the cross piece through the hole and put the 4 reds on it. I don't know how thick you need it. Then stick the white piece through the bottom hole. And then you also need this piece right here. And you stick that on the end of that black cross. So now you have this and you have your lever thing. Next, what I'm going to have you make is your other part, then take a 1x8 and stick it behind that. So it's like that. Then take a 1x6 and put it right there. Next, I'm going to have you make your lever. So what you need is a 1x3 and you stick it there. Then a 1x4 and you stick it like this, so they're like that. Then you need a 1x2, 2 of them, 2 1x2s, and you stick one on each end of that 1x4. Then cover the top of that in flats like this. Hold on. Like that. Then flip it over and cover the back in flats that have studs. And then hold on, I'm having a little bit of trouble here. Okay, and then right here, take 2 1x3s and stick them right there, like that. Then you can insert that, but before you insert it, cover the studs that are showing in flats on the inside of that. So it looks like this. See how I covered it in flats? Now you can insert that. Okay, next you're going to make a layer around it. Hold on, and I'll show you here in a minute. So it's like this, and it's level. So it's level like that. Okay, and then take a 2x4 and stick it right there like that. Take another 2x4 and stick it right beside that, like so. So it's like this. Then take a 1x8 and stick it right across here. Sorry people, I did that wrong. All that stuff needs moved to the front. So it's actually like this. Then take a 2x1 and put it right here. Then take another 2x1 and stick it on the opposite side. It's just gonna have to rest there for a couple seconds. Then take a 2x4 and stick it on the opposite side. If I can get this piece off, take a 1x8, stick it right there like that. Take a 2x4, take two 2x4s, okay, now what you need to do is take one of these window looking things and stick it there, and then build up another one that's the same height as it but without the window. Then take a 1x1, two 1x1s, stick it on either side like this, so it's like that. And then make a layer around it, around the rest of the way. Hold on 1 minute while I do this. Just bear with me. Okay, now you take two glass window pieces that are 1x2s and stick them like that. And then fill in a layer, that layer, around them. And then build it up 1, 2, 3, 4 more layers. But I'm going to take those 4 layers off for right now, while I build the actual part, the inside part, the ramp part. And for the ramp part, what I did, I'll show you here in a minute once I get it built, is take a 2x2 flat. Mine has an arrow on it, but I don't know why. It came from, I think, a construction set. And stick it in there like that. Then take a ramp piece of any color. Do that. And then fill in with ramps all around. I put those little chair things in there to help hold them in place. Then you can put those 4 layers on. Okay, and then here at the back, what I did was took a 1x, hold on here, a 1x5 cross piece, and took 2 of these orange things that have the cross symbol in them and stuck them together, and then I stuck the cross thing through, and then I took a 2x1 that had the hole in it and a 1x1 that didn't have the hole in it, and I stuck them together on a 1x3 flat. Whoops, dropped you guys there for a minute. So it's like this. And then I put a 1x3 flat on top. Then I stuck this through the hole, or through the hole this way. So the 1x1's on the left. Then I took one of these pieces and I stuck it on like this. So, and then you can slide it in and turn, so it's like a locking mechanism. And to show you how it works completely, when you, hold on, let me get my gumballs. Okay, so see, I have some gumballs. And this machine only takes pennies. So as you can see, I have my gumballs in there. You can't shake anything out. And when you move this lever, nothing comes out. So when you go to try to insert your penny with the lever down like this, it won't move. So you have to pick the lever up. You push your penny in and you let it fall. Then when you push the lever down, out comes your gumball. I'll show you one more time. Lever up, push the penny in, let it fall, push lever down, and out comes your gumball. Thank you for watching. Rate and subscribe. Please leave no rude comments. Thank you. Bye.